Today, guys, what we're working on is an '04 Yamaha, and it's the XLT 800. But this goes for any Yamaha that has this type of kill switch and start button. What this one was doing is we just rebuilt the engine in it, did the carburetors, everything like that. Once you got it started, it ran awesome. I mean, the thing would just, run just like it should. And it would start every time. But sometimes it would not start. It would turn over, and then finally it would start. And what the problem was this little switch right here. You just unscrew this. This is your kill switch. And what it was is you just pull this out. This whole thing comes out. And what it was, you remove these 4 screws and make sure you have this facing up like that, where the screws are facing up, because when you take this out, there's little springs and little connectors in there. And what it was is the little copper connectors on the computer board were dirty, so we sanded those down, put it back together. Now it fires up every time without fail. So what it was doing was just barely getting enough fire to start, and this was the issue. It was right inside here. So hope that helps.